Hello guys! So part of the Ultimate Mustang project, I have installed the GT500 cluster. Now some of you maybe know that the GT500 cluster from the 2013-14, some of them they come with the Pony logo, and some of them they come with the Cobra logo. So I could only find the one with the pony, and I was searching everywhere how to change this, and everyone said it's impossible. So you have to send it back to the dealer, pay like $600 and get a replacement with a new one with the VIN, which include the Cobra, which is, in my opinion, really crazy. So I have been searching and trying different methods, and finally I have a solution which doesn't cost that much. Of course, not much, like 600, but few bucks, worth it a lot for me. So here's the way how you can do it. So what you need to do is you need to download the beta release of Forscan. You can have it in their website, and of course you will need to pay for a license for that. You can pay just a few bucks for the 1 month, and then when you log into your car, you scan, you will get this information. Of course, the OBD connector which you use, it's possibly that in my case I took the data link MX Plus, but many others could work, and the guys from Forscan, they give you a recommendation which adapter you can buy. So once you know your software, the beta release offer you something called a firmware update, and the firmware update is the secret and tool which allowed me to change the logo. So switch off the car. Of course, I'm not connected, it's just showing you the process. So this is the old software, which was, of course, software, I mean the like calibration file, strategy file, which was in the car. And here's the new possible one. When you click on download, you need to be connected to the internet, and easy way, Forscan will look on Ford servers, what is the latest available software, and then you can download it and you can install it. After it's been downloaded, it takes for me like half an hour to upload all this data to go program it. You just click on program. Of course, the car should be on in this case, and then once you do this, it will switch off the cluster, it will stop the communication. I really recommend that when you download the beta, you really read all the instruction from the website. It's really helpful to understand many things. Once it's finished, like half an hour, everything was done. I have the Cobra, my mileage is still the same, it didn't change. I'm really happy. Of course, the project is swapping new components, almost new, like even the engine. So the mileage which is in my cluster, this is related to the mileage from the PCM or ECU, if you want to call it. So it match, and I'm happy with that. In case if your cluster does not have a newer software which it match, in this case you need to go to Ford or the Motorcraft website, and then you can download the as-built file. Now this VIN is from GT500 2014 with the Cobra logo in the cluster. And then once you download that file from the server, you can just basically select that one, and then you can just select that manually. Of course, there is a recommendation for that. You need to know what you are doing. You might break everything if you do something incorrectly. So please be aware, and again, read everything from the guys for scanning the website. So that's how you can enjoy the Cobra, and this is really amazing. I mean, I'm really happy with it. So this is the start, and soon I will be releasing the full tutorial of the project, how to swap Gen 2 engine. Of course, I did the TR6060 transmission in 2005 up to 2014 with a full function of your car components, and I don't know yet anyone did it the way I did. So stay tuned, subscribe, activate the notification to be notified when I will be releasing the tutorial. The videos will be many videos and tons of information. I'm very sure it will be helpful for lots of people who want to save this generation of Mustang. I know it's coming older and older, but this way you can keep it alive. So stay tuned.